Looking to power your off-grid system or solar energy project with confidence? Meet the Tewaycell 280Ah 3.2V LiFePO4 Battery, a Grade A, high-performance rechargeable cell, built for efficiency, reliability, and long-term use. With a typical capacity of 280 amp-hours and a nominal voltage of 3.2 volts, this lithium iron phosphate battery is ideal for building 12V, 24V, or 48V battery packs for solar storage, RV systems, and DIY energy setups. Designed with an internal impedance of less than or equal to 0.25 milliohms, it offers outstanding stability and performance, even under heavy loads. It features a recommended discharge current of 140 amps and a maximum of 280 amps, making it perfect for both everyday use and high-demand situations. Crafted with a durable aluminum shell, each cell weighs around 5.5 kilograms and measures 174 by 72 by 203 millimeters, compact, powerful, and ready for integration. And the best part? Its lifespan is exceptional. You'll get over 6,000 cycles at 80% depth of discharge, and up to 8,000 cycles at 70%, ensuring your energy system lasts for years to come. Whether you're building a home battery bank, upgrading your solar system, or creating a custom power solution, the Tewaycell 280Ah LiFePO4 gives you the Grade A quality and 100% sufficient capacity you can trust. Available now on AliExpress. Take charge of your power with Tewaycell.